So a quick review on the vessel grinder. Really well put together. The aircraft aluminum makes it nice and sturdy. Like the fit and finish. This actually folds in, push in, take the tap off, that screws on, but pulls out. This actually can be stored. I'm going to show you. You unscrew this, which is the collection area, and then there's the grinder. This actually stores in here, screwed in. But the grinder has a settings. You can make it finer, or you can make it more loose ground. But this screws in here. Then on our top, real easy to open, push in, pops out. When you're ready to put it back, pops in. But put your beans in here. We'll put a couple in. Pop your top on. We put our knob on the end here to just make it easier to grind. And you can hear the Burr grinders working away. I always love the smell of fresh coffee. And there you have ground up. So very cool, very neat system, works well, and definitely heavy duty, will last many years, comes with a lifetime warranty. You can't go wrong.